Take a look at this. This is exactly how you want it, nice and creamy. So let's just pour this out. Make sure to get everything out. Hey guys, each time I make a video, I have to create a thumbnail. So take a look at me trying to make a thumbnail for my banana skin tightening facial mask. As you can see, I try several different poses. Now I'm trying to do it with a brush. Now guys, if you want to see what a picture made the thumbnail, then check out the video on my YouTube channel. It's already posted and you will not miss it because you definitely already get a first glimpse of the thumbnail. These I enjoy making, and as you can see, I'm having a lot of fun making this thumbnail. All right, so continue watching, and here it is.